What's up YouTube? Welcome to another support and resistance level video on hot trades. My name is Blaze. So the stocks we are looking at this week include Srne, Spce, Wkhs Nio, and Intel. So for Srne, I was watching Srne over the past week, and the level I was looking at was this fib retracement level here at 827. And the reason I was looking at this level was just because it seemed like quite a reliable resistance level. As you can tell, we've tested this level quite a few times and it doesn't seem like it wants to get back above this level. So that's a really good level to watch. And then now that it's below the $7 level, obviously, it's going to be a psychological resistance level to watch now. So I'm watching the $7 level, and then for support, I'm watching this 576 level, which is also where the 200-day moving average is. Honestly, what I'm hoping for on Srne is we get all the way down here, as you can see from the previous dump. So we go all the way down and then we start curling, and that should give you a really good entry. So for Monday, I'm watching this. These are the two lines I'll be watching for Monday. So I'm watching this $716 level. So that should be the first resistance level I'm watching in order for us to get some type of a curl. So I'll be watching the $716 level, and then there's $827 level for Monday. So next up we have Spce. Spce has earnings on Thursday, which is November 5th. So expect a lot of volatility over the next week. As you can tell, Spce has been really weak lately. We tested the $17 level of support here on Friday, and it held. So that's a really good sign. So on Monday over the next week, we need to start moving up higher from this level. It's a really weak stock and earnings are coming up. So I would be really careful trading this stock over the next week. So up next we have Workhorse. So Workhorse has been really weak lately. I feel like there's a reason why it's been so weak. I'm not sure why. If you're looking to trade Workhorse over the next week, I suggest you find out why it's been so weak. But yeah, so for resistance, I'm watching this downtrend line. So we need to get back above this downtrend for it to give us a good entry. And then for support, I'm watching this 1403 level. So yeah, so that's what I'm looking at over the next week. So we need to get back above this this downtrend line for it to be a good entry. So Nio has been a really strong stock lately, especially with how weak the market has been lately. Nio has just been in a constant uptrend. So on Friday we came back and tested this psychological support level here at $30, and we moved higher from there. So that's a really good sign. But if you're looking for a safe entry, a safer entry would be for us to come back all the way down and test this uptrend and then move higher from there. So if you're looking for a safe entry, that would be my advice. And lastly, we have Intel. So Intel missed on earnings and gapped down and flushed hard. But then looking at this chart, it seemed like it found support at this 43.61 level. So if you're looking to gamble or to bottom fish, this might be a good entry if we can hold this level and start moving up higher. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.